Hello and welcome back to Go Fund Yourself. Today we're looking at the advantages and disadvantages of an IPO. If you want to know what an IPO is, I left the link in the description below. So let's get started with advantages of an IPO. Fundraising. It can help a company to acquire enough capital for expansion, to fund some research and development, hire new employees, build buildings, acquire new technologies or companies. The money collected in an IPO is significant, and that could change the company's growth trajectory. Exit opportunity. An initial public offering is an excellent opportunity for the stakeholders to cash up their investment. They usually just sit there without seeing any financial gain for years till the company goes public. Publicity and credibility. An IPO provides a lot of exposure for the company as it's being pushed into the spotlight. A lot of YouTube channels, news outlets, and even Reddit start talking about the companies that are going public, and that brings a hell lot of attention to the company. The company also receives a lot of credibility because of intense scrutiny to ensure that what they report about themselves is correct. Stock as means of payment. The companies can use stock as a payment because stock essentially is like a currency which you can buy and sell at any given time in the market. This can help with compensating employees as well as acquiring new business. Now we're gonna have a look at disadvantages. Additional regulatory requirements and disclosures. Public companies are required to file their financial statements with an SEC. SEC regulations can be extremely costly and run up to a few $1 million every year, as well as thousands of labor hours. Market pressures. Once a company is public, every move they make is scrutinized by 1 million people around the world. We all are interested in one question only: will the company meet its quarterly earning target? If it beats the target, the stock will normally rise. If not, the stock will normally decrease in price. Losing control of the company. One of the major disadvantages of an IPO is that the founders might lose their control over the company. Once the company is public, the leadership has to make sure the public is happy, even if the shareholders don't have a voting power. If shareholders feel like the company is not operating in a way that will help them make money, they will force the company, through shareholder votes or public criticism, to appoint new leadership. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.